Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting machine for both beginner and advanced embroiderers, the Singer Legacy SE300. This sewing and embroidery combo machine is popular for its versatility and user-friendly design. I'll walk you through the features, pros and cons, and the price range to help you decide if this machine is right for your projects. Plus, stick around to hear about Digitizing.com for top-notch embroidery digitizing services. Let's get into it. Key features of the Singer Legacy SE300. The Singer Legacy SE300 offers a blend of both sewing and embroidery functions, making it a great all-in-one machine. Here are some of its standout features. Number 1, 200 built-in embroidery designs and 250 stitches. The SE300 comes preloaded with 200 embroidery designs, including floral, geometric, and holiday themes. It also has 250 stitches, giving you plenty of decorative options. Number 2, 2 embroidery hoops. This machine includes both a large hoop, 10 by 6 inches, and a smaller one, giving you flexibility to work on different project sizes. Number 3, Swift Smart threading system. The SE300 includes an automatic needle threader and Singer Swift Smart system, which makes threading quick and easy. Number 4, high embroidery speed. With a max embroidery speed of 700 stitches per minute, the SE300 allows for faster projects without sacrificing quality. Number 5, USB connectivity. You can import your own designs via USB, meaning you're not limited to the built-in designs. This flexibility is ideal for those who want to personalize their projects. Pros of the Singer Legacy SE300. Let's go over some of the pros of this machine that make it popular. Number 1, user-friendly. The touchscreen and Swift Smart threading make this machine very approachable, even for beginners. Number 2, affordable for features. Compared to other embroidery machines with similar features, the SE300 is more budget-friendly, making it a great entry-level machine. Number 3, versatile with built-in stitches and designs. With so many built-in stitches and designs, you can jump right into sewing or embroidery without needing additional software or accessories. Number 4, good embroidery speed. The SE300's high embroidery speed is a bonus for those wanting quick results. Now let's look at a few potential downsides to consider. Number 1, limited hoop options. Although it includes 2 hoops, the SE300 isn't compatible with as many hoop sizes as some other machines, which could limit larger projects. Number 2, no auto thread cutting for embroidery. While there's a manual thread cutter, the SE300 lacks an automatic thread trimming feature, which can add time to your embroidery projects. Number 3, basic display. While functional, the display isn't as advanced as other higher-end machines, which may feel limiting if you're used to touchscreen editing options. Number 4, software required for editing. To fully customize designs, you'll need additional embroidery software, as the SE300 doesn't have many built-in editing features. Price range. The Singer Legacy SE300 is priced in the affordable range for sewing and embroidery machines, typically around $800 to $1,200 USD. This makes it accessible for beginners or hobbyists looking for a quality machine without a major investment. Pricing can vary depending on sales and where you purchase, so check with local retailers or online for the latest offers. Before we wrap up, let me tell you about Digitizing.com. If you want to personalize your embroidery projects with unique designs, Digitizing.com offers professional embroidery digitizing and vector art services. Whether you're looking to digitize a custom logo, create 3D puff designs, or get detailed embroidery files, they provide high-quality service with a fast turnaround. This is perfect for those using machines like the Singer Legacy SE300 who want custom designs that stitch out beautifully. With secure payment options and free editing, Digitizing.com makes it easy to bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you get a good understanding of the Singer Legacy SE300. It's a versatile and affordable machine with some great features, perfect for sewing and embroidery enthusiasts alike. Don't forget to check out Digitizing.com if you need custom designs to make the most of your embroidery machine. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and embroidery tips.